So another day we're going to find another interactive learning tools. These tools is called Math Playground. So we're going to click this, and ito yung lalabas. Ang daming choices, pwede math, logic, multiplayer, story skills, and all. So dito it is organized by grade level from kinder to grade 6. So I'm going to click this math, since math playground naman yung topic natin. Dito tayo siya sa add and subtract. Dito malalaman o dito matututo ang mga bata kung paano mag-add at kung paano magbawas at kung paano magdagdag. So, pipili lang tayo dito ng games. Itatry natin itong this duck race. So we will just tap the play game. Just tap the play. So ako yung player 268. Next. So play now. Ito yung mga kalaban ko, solve silang lahat. Start. So minus 6 minus 1 equals 5. Oh my god, malakas yung kalaban natin, guys. 3, 7 minus 3, 4, 8 minus 3, 5, 8 minus 3, 9 minus 4, 6 minus 4, 2, 12 minus 1, 11, 9 minus 2, 7, 3 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 8 minus 1, 7, 11 minus 2, 9, 2 minus 1, 1, 7 minus 5, 2, 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 2, 5, 9 minus 1, 8, 4 minus 2, 2, 9 minus 5, 4, 8 minus 4, 4, 9 minus 8, 1, 8 minus 6, oh my god, I'm the winner. Yung minus 6 is 2. So, ganun lang kadali. Dito, the students will be able to know how to subtract. So, nanalo tayo. Let's try another one. Dito tayo sa 8. Isa-isahin natin. Dito tayo sa island subtraction. Island chase subtraction. So, the math playground make learning math fun and engaging for kids. So, malingaw dyan ang bata. So, ituklok lang na tong play. Hindi na ito magkuhan. So, player 945 day. Just click play now and then start. Subtraction gihapon ni siya. 3 minus 1 equals 2, 2 minus 1 equals 1, 4 minus 1, 1, 6 minus 1 equals 5, 7 minus 3 equals 4, 5 minus 3 equals 2, 9 minus 1 equals 8, 3 minus 2 equals 1, 9 minus 4 equals 5, 8 minus 2 equals 10 minus 1 equals 7 minus 1 equals 6, 6 minus 2 equals 4, 8 minus 4 equals 4. 9 minus 2 equals 6. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 8 minus 7 equals 1. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. And again, 9 minus 7 equals 2. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 5 minus 4 equals... Sorry! Oh my god. Padingaw lagi ni. So, daog na po ta. Namali, na ko yung na-miss. Namali kong tuplok yan na ratol na. Now, let's try another one. Hindi rin na po ta sa grade 3. Hindi rin na po ta sa skill. Hindi na ta anong math. Action games, driving games, sport games, perfect time. So, diri ta sa animal games. Ganahan kong animals. Siya. Diri ta sa bunny adventure. Just click the play game. Hindi nga dyan ko. Makalingaw dyan siya. So na magkahapog ang bata mo dito ani. Grabe gid sila ka mo participate gid sila kay kuan man sila kaning mangod mas madali nimo kuan ang find out kung unsay interest sa usa ka students. Just click play. So, dire ta sa level 1. Am I right? Sure. So, okay. Okay. Tapos, oh my god, how to hit this one? You're going to jump. Diba? So, yay! So, nakuha natin yung cloud. So, menu, play, dito na tayo sa level 2. Para, pahirap ng pahirap siya. Parang spiral. Oh my god. Paano ba to? Oh my god. Wait lang, Diyos ko. Napakahirap nito. Paano ba to? Okay, wait lang. I can make. Kaya ko to. So, let's try another. Parang ang hirap. Dito tayo sa story. I want to read stories. Thinking blocks. Okay. So, what is this? Dirita. Siyempre, dito ta sa math. Lisod. And that's all. Thank you.